You might have heard of Heisenberg. No, not that one. The physicist who first came up with the observer effect of quantum mechanics. The observer effect means the act of observing a system alters its state. The most famous being the double slit experiment. A Heisenbug is a software bug that works in a similar way. Let's say you have a bug and you want to figure out where the bug is. The moment you investigate or try debugging the code, the bug seemingly disappears. In other words, you can have a bug that occurs in production code, but the moment you attach a debugger and start outputting statements to see what could be wrong, the bug no longer happens. There are a couple of reasons a Heisenbug could appear. Usually when you develop code in debug mode and compile this code, the compiler will not optimize your code. But once you want to build for release, it does, and the bug might only appear after this optimization has been done. Another example is a user could try to screenshot a graphical bug only to discover that by screenshotting the bug, it actually fixed the problem and nothing wrong can be seen on the screenshot. If you attach a debugger and put breakpoints in your code with the purpose of finding that weird bug, and the bug happens to be a race condition due to your program being multi-threaded, you might very well miss the problem because stepping through the code will slow down the execution of the program just enough for you to miss it. And if you're really unlucky, the bug only happened once, and it might have been due to the fact that there is always a tiny chance that a particle from space collides with the electronics in a computer that runs the code, causing some bit to flip and therefore an error in your program. This is called a single event upset. This happened during the 2003 elections in Belgium. An anomalous number of votes were detected, giving a candidate 4,096 extra votes. And in 2008, a Qantas jet flying from Singapore to Perth, Australia, suddenly steered down for 20 seconds for no reason, injuring 30% of the passengers, and the only explanation was a single event upset. And in contrast to a Heisenbug, which is hard to detect, we have the Bohr bug, which is deterministic and easy to find. Just like most bugs, hopefully. Have you ever experienced a Heisenbug?